Come and stand at the top end of your mat, feet parallel, toes spread wide. Keep your spine straight, keep the arms by your sides, palms facing forward. Chin is parallel to the mat. Shoulders are rolled back and away. Inhale, lift the arms up towards the sky. Join the palms together, tilt the head back and look up towards the hands. Exhale, fold all the way forward. Inhale, lift half the way up, lengthening through the spine. Exhale, fold forward. Plant your palms down on the mat on both sides of your feet. Step back to a high plank. Take one breath here, and as you exhale, bend the elbows, lower the body halfway down. Inhale, push through the palms and lift the head and chest up. Knees and thighs remain off the mat. Release the toes at the back. Exhale, tuck the toes in, lift the hips up. Adho Mukho Svanasana. Stay here for 3 deep breaths. Open through the shoulders. Tailbone lifts up towards the sky. Chest going down towards the mat. With the next inhale, look forward towards the hands. Bend your knees slightly and step forward between the hands. Inhale, lift halfway up, straighten the spine. Exhale, fold all the way forward, bring your forehead towards the knees. Inhale, circle sweep your arms all the way up towards the ceiling, join the palms together. Exhale, lower the arms down, Samasthiti. Second time. Inhale, lift the arms up, join the palms together, tilt your head back, look up. Exhale, circle sweep your arms down towards the mat, fold forward. Inhale, lift halfway up, head and shoulders, spine straight in one line. Exhale, fold forwards. Plant the palms down, step back into a high plank. Take one breath here, and as you exhale, tip your body weight forward, bend the elbows, come to Chaturanga. Inhale, push the palms into the mat, lift your head and chest up, release the toes at the back. Exhale, tuck the toes back in, lift the hips up. Adho Mukho Svanasana. 3 deep breaths. With the next inhale, look forward towards the palms. Bend your knees slightly and step forward between the hands. Inhale, lift halfway up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, sweep the arms up towards the sky, join the palms together. Exhale, Samasthiti. Round 3. Inhale, sweep the arms up, palms together, look up towards the hands. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift, straighten through the spine. Exhale, hands down to the mat, step back, high plank. Inhale here, and as you exhale, lower halfway down to Chaturanga Danda Asana. Inhale, lift the head and chest up, release the toes at the back. Knees and thighs remain off the mat. Exhale, tuck the toes back in, lift the hips up. Adho Mukho Svanasana. 3 deep breaths. Good. Now inhale, look forward, bend the knees and step forward between the two hands. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, lift the arms up, join the palms together. Exhale, release the arms down, Samasthitihi.